In this video, I'll show you how to create anchor links, or some call it page dump, but essentially a URL that takes you to a specific place on a page. Now, this can be super helpful if you have a one-page website, but for the purpose of this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to create anchor links on a service page that go directly to a specific package. We'll first identify the section that we want our page to jump to and select Edit Section. Scroll to the bottom of the Design tab and find Anchor Link. Here you can type in the ID of your link, so for this section I will just name it Portraits and copy the link. Now I will go to my button, go to Edit and paste the anchor link right in here. Let me do that with all the sections, so for the next one I will title this one Elopements, connect it with the elopement button, and do the same with wedding section. So add anchor link name, weddings, copy it, and paste it inside the wedding button. Now if we preview the site and click on each of our buttons, you will see it kind of jumps the page over to the section that we created our anchor links on. You can also do this if you have sections on other pages, or you can also do it in your website header navigation. So if you go to add new content on your main navigation, find links, so you can also add it in here. And now you'll see if I click on our main navigation under wedding package, it will take you directly to that service page on the wedding package section. I hope this makes sense and it was easy for you to follow, but if you have any questions, drop them down in the comments and I'll be happy to help. Have fun and happy creating!